Today we're gonna make some potato salad. Start out with 6 or 7 small red potatoes. Peel it, wash it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You got it. Cut it into small cubes. Place the potatoes in a pan. Add some water. After adding some water, add some salt and boil. Simmer until it's fork tender. Once the potatoes are cooked, drain and set aside. Start preparing 3 boiled eggs, peeled and chopped according to your likings, of course. Potato salad is all about your preference. So if you want more eggs, add more eggs. But in this case, I added 3 eggs. Once chopped to your likings, of course, set aside. Then prepare some celery. Chop them up. I prepared 4 stalks of celery. Then I chopped up half an onion. In a clean bowl, prepare your dressing. We have 1 cup of mayonnaise, more if you want it moist, more moist. Add in half a cup of pickle relish. Add in 1 tablespoon of mustard, half a tablespoon of paprika. I also added 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, optional. Pepper. I think the apple cider vinegar gives it this unique flavor to your salad. Try it and you might like it. The dressing is all incorporated. Add in your potatoes and all the other ingredients such as onions, celery, and eggs. Mix them together carefully, of course, so you don't mash all your potatoes. Some paprika. Enjoy. For watching.